The next train on platform 3. Frustration, frustration. We're all congregated at the station, and the train hasn't arrived. The crackling crumbs of the announcer rolls out and falls to the floor. Bump, bump. It's just another delay upon another delay. We've experienced this all before. There's the man with the top hat. There's the man with the flat cap. There's the man with the umbrella and his newspaper at the fore. There's a cheeky guy waiting to push in. There's the well-aimed elbow waiting to win. All being squeezed through a narrow door. Your thoughts are, get me home. I just don't get enough time alone. All day having to answer the phone. Push a pen, throw the dice yet again. Decisions, decisions. You're accountable if you get it wrong. I'm a commuter, a metropolitan, a hamster in its treadmill, a goldfish in its bowl. We don't call this the dark age. It's the age of wait and go. It's deja vu tomorrow, when my juicy donuts hits the fan. I'm stuck on platform 3. I've been assigned to the chain gang.